Bitcoin is text, information, and code. Text can be transferred and copied extremely easily, especially in a digital form. Bitcoin software can be downloaded just as easily as any other app or program. The Bitcoin code is open source. Open source code is exactly what it says it is. The source of where you can get the code is open. Anyone can see and copy the code, anyone can tweak, change or play around with this code, and anyone can choose what version of the code they want to run. Open source code allows for transparency, something that is very important within Bitcoin. Transparency in code enables the users to don't trust, verify. You do not have to trust me that there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. You can verify yourself by looking at and running the Bitcoin code. When you run the code yourself, you are enforcing that there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. If someone would copy and paste the Bitcoin code to their computer and instead of just running the code that everyone else is using, decides to change the code so that there would be 22 million Bitcoin, the rest of the people would simply look at that code and decide not to run that version. This just results in someone having a version of Bitcoin on their computer where there are 22 million Bitcoin that no one else uses. In other words, if you are running a version of Bitcoin with a bug or an extra rule within its code, you will not be able to use Bitcoin with other people, you will simply have a version of Bitcoin that only you can use and is not compatible with anyone else. Certain technical details make sure people cannot cheat. It is important to understand that cheating in a network like Bitcoin only hurts the cheating individual. Since a cheater is not able to connect and use the version of Bitcoin that all the honest people are using, the cheater is left all alone. While the honest people are at happy hour. The only way for the cheater to join happy hour is to use the same version of Bitcoin that everyone else is using. You have read this already in the abstract paragraph of the Bitcoin white paper. As long as a majority of CPU power is controlled by nodes that are not cooperating to attack the network, they'll generate the longest chain and outpace attackers. Satoshi Nakamoto. In more direct language, this means join happy hour, be nice, have fun, and enjoy the benefit and the company. Or don't, the party won't stop anyway.